Okay, so now, ngayon na alam nyo na yung law of cosines. So now, let us solve missing side of a triangle using law of cosines. So, ang nawawala dito is C. So, ang magiging formula natin, pinakita yun kanina, which is C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. Okay po. So, now, let's go solve for the value of C. So, A natin is 8. So, we have 8 squared. Substitute lang. And B natin is 12. So, we have 12 squared minus 2 times A natin is 8 times B natin is 12. Po, and then cos angle C natin is 80 degrees. Okay, now let us simplify. 8 squared is 64 plus 12 squared is 144 minus 2 times 8 times 12. That is negative 192. And cosine 80, so you need to input that to your calculator. So what is cos 80? So what is the answer? 0.1736. So we have 0.1736 po ba? So now C squared is equals to 64 plus 144 minus 192 times so pwede na natin input na natin sa scientific calculator. Ito na. So we have 64 plus 144 minus 192 times 0.1736. So, ang lumabas ay 171.7. So, lagay natin yung lumabas. So, we have 174.6688. So, we have 6688. Tama ba? So, tama. And now, we need to square root both sides to get the value of C. Cancel. So, we have C is equals to, what is the square root of this one? So, we have, press natin yung square root sign. And then, lagay natin yung 174.6,688. So, we have 13.21. So, we have 13.21 is the value of C. Okay po. So, next, magsasolve naman tayo ng mga missing angles. Okay, so ngayon naman, angle naman yung isasolve natin using the laws of cosine. So, now, let us solve for the angle A. So, solve for angle A. So, kapag dalawa na yung given na angle dito, madali na lang, di ba? So, ang formula ng cosine A, angle A is the cosine A is equals to B squared plus C squared minus 8 squared all over 2BC. And then we have cosine A is equals to B natin is yung katapat is 10 squared plus C natin yung opposite which is 20 squared minus A natin yung katapat ng A which is 15 squared all over 2 times B natin is 10 times C natin is 20. Now, let us now simplify. Cosine A is equals to 10 squared is 100 plus 20 squared is 400 minus 15 squared is 225. Tama ba? All over 2 times 10 times 20. That is 400. And then, simplify ulit. So, what is 100 plus 400 minus 225? So, yung numerator ay magiging 275 all over 400. And then, kapag dinivide natin to, gamit yung scientific calculator, we have 275 divided by 400. So we have 0.68. So we have cosine A is equals to, ano lumabas? 0.68. And then, input natin sa scientific calculator. So kapag angle, we need to press shift and cos, and then 0.68. So we have 47.15 degrees. So ito na po yung value ng angle. Okay. So now let us solve for the angle B. Okay, solve for angle B. So ang formula kapag B is cosine B is equals to A squared plus C squared minus B squared all over 2AC. Okay po, ayan. So we have cosine B is equals to A natin is 15 squared plus C natin is 20 squared minus B natin is 10 squared all over 2 times A natin is 15. And then, at ang C natin is 20. Okay, so now, simplify. 15 squared is 225 plus 20 squared is 400 minus 10 squared is 100 all over 2 times 15 times 20, we have 600. And then, simplify yung numerator. So we have 225 plus 400 minus 100. So we have 525 all over 600. And then, i-input natin to sa divide natin. 525. So we have 525 divided by 600. 0.875. So we have 0.875. And then, input nyo sa scientific calculator. So we need to press shift cosine 0.875. So we have 28.95. So we have 28.95 value ng ating angle B. So we have 28.95. 28.95. So now, angle C na lang yung nawawala. Isa na lang. So equate na lang natin ito sa 180 and then subtract. So let us solve for angle C. Okay, solve for angle C. So equate natin sa 180. So we have angle C is equals to 180 degrees minus angle A plus angle B. So we have angle C is equals to 180 degrees minus angle A is 47.15 plus angle B, na-solve natin, is 28.95 degrees. So now, add natin na sa parenthesis. So we have 47.15 plus 28.95. So we have 76.1. So we have 76.1. And then subtract natin to. So 180 degrees. So we have 180 minus 76.1. We have 103.9. So 103.9 degrees ang ating angle C. Okay po. So ganyan lang po mag-solve ng missing angles and sides using the laws of cosines. Thank you.